I'd say this is like summer in a bottle. This lotion is more for tanning on a sunbed. I have tried many. This is 200. I've even tried 400. And trust me, I keep coming back to this one. I bought this so many times now because it seems to work the best. It seems to give me a better tan. As you can see, I am very pale. Very, very pale. This is the only thing that makes me feel confident and sun-kissed during the summer months. I like it a lot because it also, the smell has got a nice fragrance. A lot of these also smell like that strong tropical coconut, which some people like. I just think it's so overpowering. I don't want to walk around smelling like that, and every time I move my hand, I get that waft of a smell. It's really strong. I don't find that with this at all. I love this. Like I say, I have bought it many, many times, and I've just gone back to it again because I tried something else. No, still the best. Still the best, and still gives the strongest tan as well. Even ones that are supposed to give off more, like 400, still the best. So I highly recommend this. I am talking from experience because I've used this every summer for I don't know how many summers, but it is to be used on the sunbed. So I hope you enjoy and have a good summer and have a nice sun-kissed skin.